So the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is finally releasing, and things just got even more interesting because Igor Bogdanov has already leaked an early image of the device on X, giving everyone a closer look at what might be DJI's next big upgrade with release expectations pointing toward December 18th, 2025. The hype around this compact vlogging camera is rising fast. DJI was even spotted testing the Osmo Pocket 4 in the wild recently, which hints that the launch cycle is very close. And with all these leaks and sightings stacking up, it feels like this might be the biggest jump the Pocket lineup has seen in years. A lot of the hype comes from the early talk about the sensor system. The Pocket 3 impressed everyone with its large 1-inch sensor, offering excellent low-light performance in such a small body. But leaked images of the Pocket 4 show something completely new: a dual camera setup. 2 lenses on a handheld gimbal instantly suggest more creative flexibility. It could mean switching between wide and standard views on the fly, capturing 2 angles at once, or using advanced processing to boost dynamic range and low-light quality. When combined with 6K recording at 10-bit color depth and 4K at 240 frames per second, the Pocket 4 suddenly looks like a compact device that could rival much larger cameras in both sharpness and flexibility. The design seems to be evolving too. The Pocket 3 gave us a great rotating touchscreen and a smooth, comfortable grip for quick shooting. The Pocket 4, according to leaks, appears slightly larger, likely due to the second lens and more powerful internals. There are even hints of a possible second display, which would make switching modes or framing shots easier than ever. If DJI improves handling, heats up less during long, high-resolution recording, and tightens the ergonomics, the Pocket 4 could feel like a more refined creator tool without losing its iconic, pocket-friendly feel. Its video capabilities may be where the biggest jump happens. The Pocket 3 already handled 4K at 60 frames per second with strong stabilization, but the Pocket 4 looks ready to push that much further. High frame rate 4K gives smoother slow-motion clips, and 6K would offer extra detail and flexibility, especially for creators who like to crop in or reframe during editing. With better color depth, improved low-light performance, and upgraded stabilization, combining both mechanical and electronic systems, the footage out of this tiny device could look more professional than ever. Feature upgrades are also likely. The Pocket 3 already came with wireless microphone support, fast autofocus, dependable tracking, and quick switching between vertical and horizontal recording. The Pocket 4 may bring smarter subject tracking, improved microphones, faster connectivity, and possibly new shooting modes built around the dual camera design. Think picture-in-picture recording, instant lens switching, or enhanced creative modes that blend footage from both lenses. Things that would be extremely useful for travel vloggers and everyday creators. When it comes to price, current expectations range from $599 to $699, which lines up with the recent heavy discounts on the Osmo Pocket. And the Pocket 4 seems set to deliver enough upgrades to justify that slightly higher price. If you need a camera right now, the Osmo Pocket 3 is still a great deal at its discounted price. It offers excellent image quality for its size and still beats many action cameras when it comes to stabilization and usability. GoPro and Insta360 offer interesting alternatives too, but none combine a mechanical gimbal with this level of portability. If the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 truly delivers everything we're seeing in leaks dual lenses, 4 redesigned body, higher resolution, better low-light performance, smarter tracking, and more creative options, this could easily become one of the most exciting compact cameras of 2025. And with the release date coming closer, it's clear why so many creators are waiting to see what DJI has been building behind the scenes.